Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can delete all viruses in Windows 10 or 11. So let's get started. Currently I'm using Windows 11 as my default operating system. So in order to delete the virus, all you need to do, you have to like real-time protection always on. So here you can access the Windows Defender or Windows Security by click on your system tray or the taskbar. Here there's a shield icon. This is the Windows Security. Double click and here we go. You can click on virus and threat protection. Make sure virus and threat protection setting is on. Real-time protection is on. Locate and stop malware from installing or running on your device. You can turn off this setting for a short time before it turns back on automatically. So here you have to turn on what need to be turned on. For example, like prevent other tampering with important security features. You have to turn this on, and turn on automatic sample submission, and turn on the floppy drive protection. Don't forget to turn on firewall. So here, because the Defender file is using setting that make your device unsafe, so just restore this. And firewall, you need to turn on the firewall. So let's close. And next, you need to clean up your disk. For example, you can click this. You can go to the File Explorer, and here there are 2 disks on my system. You can click one of it. So here you can click 3 dots at the top of your screen, or this is the ribbon. Just click clean up in order to clean up free space or delete a temporary file, a temporary junk files, and so on. So here you have to delete all of this. Next, you can run MRT. So this is the Microsoft tool. So you can click yes, and this is Microsoft Windows malicious software removal tool. So this tool scans for and automatically removes prevalent malicious software. Just click next. Just do quick scan or full scan, scan the entire system, or customize scan. So you can click next and let the process begin and wait for this process. After this operation complete, the tool will provide you with a report of the malicious software that was detected and removed. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. So next button below. See you in the next video.